Oh, he's both going together.
He's going to film me as well. I'll go first, yeah?
You go first. I'll sort of go in front so I'll see you take off.
Ready to go? Yeah.
Come past me, Frank. Go. Alright.
Okay. I'll slide my flaps on.
You have to go to my right.
To your right?
Yeah, but underneath me. I'll go higher.
Good, yeah.
You would have just gone past me. Go now, guys. Go on my right, Frank.
On your right?
On my right, yeah.
Don't chop my propeller. Don't chop my cable. I'll take it easy now. Oh, is that you?
Who's creepy? I don't know, it's what it means.
I'm going to come by, do a flyby.
Can you do a low one, Frank?
Yeah. Fast? I'll do one slow. Watch yourself, Yov. Come this way.
Go on gliding so you can go past me.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I'll come and get you.
Yeah, go, sort of stay behind me on my right.
It's too scary because I'm going to hit you.
Yeah, I know. I have to go real close.
It's a lot better for smoking.
Are you flying that plane like a helicopter, mate? I'm cruising, man.
Now I'm going to come next to Yov.
I've got you both on the screen now. Well, I had. 35 south, man. Oh, touching it. I have to have got you there.
Whoa!
No, you're alright, you're alright.
Holy shit!
I would have got you on that one. Go next to him on the right side, man. That's me,
I think you gotta lower your bolting.
yeah, I think I've set it too high. I mean, yeah.
Tipped on one side. Whoa, the tail pulls it back because the weight of the
You landing, Frank?
touch and go. Sorry, Yob, I just thought I was going to hit you. I didn't know how to land it. Shit! Oh, I'm landing. Shit!
That's good.
You think?
Where are you? Nice, well done.
It's hard, there's a bit of wind, but I'm looking forward to bring my 51 in summer.
Oh yeah.
Very good, Frank.
All right.
Hopefully I got it.
Well done, guys.